Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have a TrollBeads haul to share with all of you, and look at this package. It's so beautifully wrapped. It has this little bag with some bunnies on it, and look at the ribbon. It's a gingham ribbon, purple and white, so pretty. And look at the little angel here that they've added to the ribbon. It is so cute. It has a purple kind of gemstony head with some golden wings and CZs and some CZs on her dress. It is so cute. It's really cute. And I see a little bunny in there. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what I ordered. And this bunny was in the package. It's purple. It is so cute. Look at his ears, and it's just so cute. I think my kids are going to steal this from me because they would want it for their room, but this is really cute. And then there is my beautifully wrapped package, again with the purple ribbon on here. It is so pretty, and I almost don't want to tear into it, but I really want to see my beads because I'm really excited about the things that I bought. So let me go ahead and open this. I think I might need some scissors. So let me open this up and then we'll see the beads inside. And in here I have my box, and in the box, whoa, look at that. Look at these beautiful glass beads. These are from the Nurtured Connections kit that came out a few weeks ago, last month I believe. And this one is the faceted kit, and this is called the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and this is so beautiful. Initially, three of these beads caught my eye, and the more I looked at them, the more I loved all of them. So buying a kit made sense. And then, as you guys know, March was my birthday month, so TrollBeads sent me a 20% off coupon, and so I jumped at the chance to get this kit with that coupon, and I'm so grateful to TrollBeads for doing that. I think this is the first time I've received a coupon for my birthday, and so I hope that they continue with this because, you know, it was just that push that I needed to get this kit, and this is just so pretty. So let me take these beads off the ribbon and then I'll show them to you one by one. Let's start with this one over here. This one is called the Current of Life bead, and this has shades of tealish blue, some light blue, there's black, and then there's some almost a royalish blue and some yellow. And then the base looks like that it's glitter, and it just looks like waves of this color in this bead. It is very pretty. I love the colors in this. That yellow adds just a hint of this brightness to this bead, and it's just very pretty. So let's look at the profile, and so you can see that all of those colors are at the base, at the core, and then you have the clear glass on top. And then from the top, you can see that the bead is just beautiful. Actually, that greenish color matches my nails, which is so cool. And so this one is so pretty. This next one is called Drops of Attention. It is one of my favorites from this kit, and it has a peachy base, and on top you have these circles that are light blue outlined in a darkish brown, almost black it seems like, and then you have these horizontal lines of glitter running across the bead. It is very pretty, and I love the colors on this. I already know this bead. I want to pair it with so many of my other beads, especially the last gemstone bead that I shared from the same collection. The fossilized shell bead has that same peachy color, so I feel those two would pair really well together. And again, it's a beautiful bead. And when you look at the core, again, everything is at the core, and then you have the clear glass. You can see that the lines of glitter from the profile almost look like rays of the sun, which is such a cool thing because I didn't know about that detail, but looking at it this way, it just seems like that the core is the sun, and then you have the rays of the sun in that glitter. And so this one is Drops of Attention. This next one is called Drops of Kindness, and this has a kind of a khaki colored base. It has some yellows mixed in the off-white is what the base color looks like to me, almost an eggshell, I want to say. And on top you have these circles and they have shades of blue and white, and then it's outlined in black. It is such a dimensional bead, this one, because of the different colors and the circles. It just has so much movement, I feel. And this one initially didn't catch my eye too much when, you know, this release first came out, but the more I've seen this bead, the more I've loved it. It is going to be beautiful to design with, and again, I have ideas of beads to design with this one. Again, everything is at the core. You can see that the glass is clear, and I don't know, yeah, I think it was that purple bunny that was giving the glass this purple shade. I almost thought the glass might be purple, but no, it is clear. So this one is Drops of Kindness. And then next to that, I have this bead, and this one is called Basket of Hope bead. And it has a black base, and on top you have these crisscrossed lines, almost like a basket weave, and that's why I think it's called Basket of Hope bead. And it is like a limeish green color. It's such a beautiful combination. It really pops on the black. Look at that. It is very, very pretty. And this one, again, I feel is going to be so versatile for spring, for summer, for Halloween. It's going to be beautiful. And this one, you can see, again, everything is at the core, but it kind of is spread out of the core a little bit more than the other beads. So you see less of the clear glass from the profile. And it is so pretty. I love that green and black combination. It is beautiful, very striking. So this one is Basket of Hope. A different bead in the same design but different colors is this next one, and this is called Basket of Serenity. Again, you have that black base and you have that crisscross pattern, that weave pattern of purple and light blue, and I love the purple and light blue combination. Again, the black base really makes these colors pop, and the pastel colors are perfect for spring, but again, that black base really lends itself to more autumnal designs and even Halloween designs. So this one is again one that is very versatile. So this is Basket of Serenity. And then the last bead in this kit is this one, and this is called Sunshine Vitality bead. And this is one that first caught my eye from this kit and was the first bead I thought I definitely want to have. And this has a base of these pastel colors, so you can see some light blues, light pinks, and then there's some mustard, and then you have these thick horizontal stripes of glitter on it. It is so beautiful. Sunshine Vitality is such a perfect name for this bead. It's going to be beautiful. And this one I thought would be perfect with the Sunshine bead, which is the silver Father's Day bead from this year. And I think this and that, the Sunshine bead and the Sunshine Vitality bead will be perfect together. So this was the very first one that I really wanted from this kit. And again, let's look at the profile. And you can see that everything is at the base. You do see the thick glitter lines. Again, you see that sun rays effect on it, like we saw in, where did that one go? Was it this one? Yeah. So you can see that the glitter lines on this are thinner than this one. So you can see that the rays of the sun, or so to say, look different. Here they are thinner, here they are thicker, but I believe they both look really beautiful. So this is the kit that I was able to get, and I absolutely love it. Here are all the beads together, and again, this kit is called the Care and Attention Garden Kit, and I really love this. This spring release has been so beautiful. There's so many things that I've bought already and so many things that are still on my wish list because TrollBeads did such an amazing job with this particular release. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to design with all these beautiful beads. And since I have you here, let me share a couple of bangle designs with you that I have been wearing. This is the first one, and this one is, you can see, inspired by spring with all the greens on here, and this is on the hard bangle, and all three of these glass beads are unique and these are so beautiful. All have shades of green and blue in there, and they all work perfectly together. And the two silvers I have on here, this one is the chrysanthemum of November, and then this one is the calendula of October, and they are both beautiful. You guys know how much I love my flowers of the month, and this is my first bangle design. It's just been such an easy one to wear, and you know, the bright colors really perk up your mood, so I really love this one. And then the other design I want to share is this, and I've been wearing this one. This is so pretty. I'm using some of my new beads on here, the silvers. I have the sunshine bead and the magic moon. Let me take it off my wrist and I'll show this to you. So this is on the twisted silver bangle, and this one I designed around the sunshine and the magic moon bead. I knew I wanted to use the two of these together on a design because I think they're perfect together. So this one is more of a sun, moon, and star design, and let's start here. This is the yellow twinkle bead, and it just reminds me of the sun, the bright sunshine, so I put it next to sunshine bead. And then next I have the northern lights bead. It's one of my favorites. I love this one. This one, you know, it's another one of those that you have to see in person, and today is a very gloomy day. It's been raining for the past 2 days here and very cloudy, and so you can't really see the shine on this one, but in person these green and blue colors really shine just like the northern lights, and it's beautiful. Next I have the moon magic bead, which is the club bead for 2024. Next to that, I have this shimmer royale bead. I recently added this to my collection from a collector who was downsizing, and this is beautiful. Look at that glitter in there, and just reminds me of a moonlit night evening, and that's why I went with this one. Over here is the sparkling star silver bead. And then next to that, I have the Together Apart bead, and this was released in 2020 when the world was going crazy and we were all stuck at home, and so TrollBeads released this specially for that time. So I love this bead, the Together Apart. So we were in our homes, we were not able to meet anybody, but you know, we were still connected, we were still together. So this bead is so meaningful, and I love the design. It has a rainbow on it, and then it has these two clouds that are on top of the bead, so they're puffy and, you know, protruding off the base of the bead, and it's just such a beautiful bead, very meaningful, and I love this. And so that is my other bangle design that I wanted to share with all of you. I've been loving this. And yeah, that is my haul and a couple of my designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know what you think of this kit, which one is your favorite bead out of all of these. And if you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.